Hey everyone, welcome back to Style Study channel. I'm glad I'm posting more consistently now and I hope you all are doing well. I have gathered some footage from October to now December, and yeah, I've been keeping myself super busy with shop updates and packing orders. Black Friday week was crazy for me, but we survived and I'm just glad all the packages went out in a timely manner. Thank you to those who placed an order during this holiday season. I truly appreciate all the support and sweet comments you guys leave on my social media channels. This year was actually the year my shop really kicked off, even though I did create my shop in October of 2019. I didn't actually fully promote it until 2020, even though it has been a tough year for everybody due to COVID. I will have to say that it has been a truly great year for Style and Study Shop. I remember setting goals for the shop at the beginning of the year, and wow, the support we received surpassed our goals. I had set a goal of reaching 1,000 followers on Instagram, and now we are currently at 10,000 plus followers. I really have to thank the journaling / stationery / art community for finding inspiration in my posts and encouraging me to keep up what I love to do. 2020 was a great year and learning experience for the shop, but I'm ready to bring new stationery products for you guys in 2021. I've been planning for a while now of how I can make my products better and what kind of stickers you would like to have. I have already started testing some new stickers, and so far, I'm really excited for the new stickers coming soon. If you follow me on Instagram and have checked out my shop, you will know that I also carry handmade resin accessories, and I am working on improving that area as well. I think accessories for journals are super cute and stylish, so that part of my shop will continue on to 2021. I also have a few people asking me about making a resin video, and that is part of my YouTube schedule for the new year. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Let me know in the comments if there are any stationery journaling videos you want to see. When I pack orders for my repeat buyers, if I have time, I usually like to write a small note to thank them and encourage them to leave good reviews for my shop. Having good reviews really help my shop grow and reach a wider audience. This part usually takes me the longest to do, as I like to use my stickers to decorate the note. Even though it takes me a while, I do get a lot of people telling me they really like the decorated note. These cute metal phone heart hooks are super adorable and will definitely be restocked for the new year. I love it when you guys post a photo of your phone on my product reviews because it's so nice to see how you decorate your phone. I'm thinking of doing a future video decorating my phone as well. If you are new to my channel, I also give away free printables to those that subscribe to my email list, which will be linked in the description below. I kept this 5x7 holiday theme memo sheet design simple as I wanted to decorate the sheet with stickers. This design comes in 3 colors, blue, green, and pink. The memo sheet looks great even on your regular printer paper. I will be using these to write a letter to a couple of individuals on Instagram that have helped share my posts and promote my products throughout the year. I will link these individuals' journaling accounts below so you can check them out and give them a follow. I'm all done decorating these memo sheets and I think they turned out really cute. For those of you that have downloaded the file, I hope you enjoy using my free printables. For December, I designed this cute holiday theme sticker of my logo. I'm using this to seal my envelopes that I send out to my buyers. These are some of the sticker freebies that I included with orders placed before Christmas. I wanted to thank you all for shopping small during the holidays. To be honest, I wasn't sure how to handle holiday season for my shop as I didn't know how much demand there would be. I ran into a couple of issues such as delayed packages and lost packages, but luckily many of you guys are very understanding as delivery time is out of my control. Like most small businesses, I use USPS to deliver my products, and during holiday season, they are crazy busy. And on top of that, we are still in the middle of a pandemic. So I'm thankful to you guys for being patient, waiting for your packages. I always try my best to pack your orders as quickly as possible to hopefully shorten the time the package gets to you. 2020 is truly a different kind of year, so let's all get through this together. Alright you guys, we are at the end of this studio vlog, which I hope you enjoyed watching my process of running the shop. Let me know if you like watching these kind of videos and if you have suggestions for other things you want to see. Don't forget to check out my other social media channels and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and I hope you stay safe. Bye!